used to live 50 cents. No phone, no food, no pets. I ain't got no... Beautiful. It's time to get the stars of the show up here. You ready for Chip and Dale? When Chip and Dale start cooking up some trouble, you can bet it gets well done. Books all say they are the cutest too. To tell the truth, I think so too. It's Chip and Dale, a great sensational corporation. They are Chip and Dale. Chip and Dale are here. Oh, we're riding the horses. It's a hot day. Chip said, what do you say we get 3 ice cold root beers right over there at that big saloon? So we trotted over, and we stopped, tied the horses up, getting ready to go inside. Now picture this, an old cowpoke like me going into a rough, tough saloon with 2 chipmunks. You want happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Round of applause for all the birthday folks. Yeah. Hey, what's up now? Who's the leader of the club that's made for you and me?
How it's supposed to look? Grab it. You gotta spin it. You have to spin it.
Welcome home to Wilderness and Wine at the cabins of Disney's Fort Wilderness Resort, the newest Disney Vacation Club.
Dobra, huh?
Jackson, you like that?
The enchanting Masters collection hits everything from a luxury spa to Moving Oz. Discover all the fabulous wonders happening all around.